ఏపీ ప్రభుత్వం వాణిజ్య ఉత్సవ్ పేరుతో భారీ వాణిజ్య సదస్సును ఇవాళ రేపు విజయవాడలో నిర్వహిస్తోంది. కేంద్ర ప్రభుత్వ కార్యక్రమం ఆజాదీ కా అమృత్ మహోత్సవ్లో భాగంగా రాష్ట్రంలో జరుగుతున్న ఈ కార్యక్రమాన్ని సీఎం వైఎస్ జగన్మోహన్ రెడ్డి ప్రారంభించారు. ఎగుమతులకు సంబంధించి రాష్ట్ర ప్రభుత్వ ప్రణాళికను, ఎగుమతుల వాణిజ్య పోర్టల్ను, వైఎస్ఆర్ వన్ వ్యాపార సలహా సేవలను ముఖ్యమంత్రి జగన్ ప్రారంభించారు. ప్రస్తుతం దేశ ఎగుమతుల్లో రాష్ట్ర వాటా 5.8%. దీన్ని 2030 నాటికి 10% చేర్చాలని లక్ష్యంగా పెట్టుకొని ప్రభుత్వం ప్రణాళికలు సిద్ధం చేస్తోందని అన్నారు.
Ladies and gentlemen, as our Honorable Chief Minister releases the State Export Action Plan, a roadmap for all our exporters, and as all our dignitaries hold a copy, here's taking a moment for a quick photo opportunity. Thank you to our Honorable CM for doing the honours. In the same line of thought, I would also request our Honorable Chief Minister to officially launch the Export Trade Portal, an e-commerce platform created by the government of Andhra Pradesh for the purpose of enabling the exporters and importers with all the trade and export data. It is also designed to handhold MSMEs and encourage them to explore export opportunities. It will also serve as a bridge between international buyers and Indian suppliers, exporters and manufacturers. Thank you, sir, for doing the honours, and we're going to take one more moment from you. We would like our Honourable Chief Minister has always seen the vision of industrial growth through MSMEs, and in line with the same, we are going to launch the business advisory services for small and medium entrepreneurs who intend to start their businesses in AP. Telling them where, when, how they can start their business. More than 4,000 project profiles form part of this under the auspices of YSR Business Advisory Services. Thank you very much, sir, for doing the honours. And now may I invite Padma Shri BVR Mohan Reddy. The next Industry Champion Award goes to Mr. Kap Dong Lee, Chief Administrative Officer, Kia India Private Limited. Congratulations, sir. The next industry champion is Shri Anil Chalamasetti, Managing Director, Greenco Energies Private Limited. A huge round of applause for him, ladies and gentlemen. Up next, Shri Avinash Chand Rai, Chief Executive Officer, Adani Krishnapatnam Port, and Mr. G.J. Rao, Director, Adani Krishnapatnam Port. Can we invite both of them to receive the Industry Champions Award? Can we please give them a huge round of applause, ladies and gentlemen? Moving ahead, the next industry champion is Mr. Ishan Reddy Alla, Promoter Director, Ramki Group. Can we please give him a huge round of applause? Mr. Ishan Reddy Alla, Promoter Director, Ramki Group. Congratulations, sir. Moving ahead, the next industry champion is Mr. C.V. Rajulu, Vice President, NACL Industries Limited. Come on, ladies and gentlemen, we can do better than this. Please put your hands together. These are the industry champions, and we are felicitating them today. Our next industry champion is Mr. K. Madan Mohan Reddy, Executive Director, Aurobindo Pharma Limited. Mr. K. Madan Mohan Reddy, congratulations, sir. From industry champions, let's shift our gaze to export champions. The state of Andhra Pradesh exported goods worth 16.8 billion USD, which is 5.8% of the total Indian exports. The top 10 export categories contributed 55% of the state export value. The state has identified export champions who have contributed immensely despite and in spite of the pandemic. We are here to acknowledge their efforts and contribution, ladies and gentlemen. Our first export champion, Mr. C. Sarvanand, Chief Operating Officer, Brandex India Apparel Private Limited. Can we please have a huge round of applause for him? Congratulations, sir. And as he receives this award, allow me to move forward and share with you our next export champion, Mr. Lee E.C., General Manager, Apache Footwear India Private Limited. Congratulations, sir. Ladies and gentlemen, can we have a huge round of applause for Mr. Lee E.C., General Manager, Apache Footwear India Private Limited, our export champion. Up next, Mr. B.V. Krishna Rao, Managing Director, Patabhi Agro Foods Private Limited. Congratulations, Mr. B.V. Krishna Rao. And as he receives his award, our next export champion whom I'd like to invite is Srimati Vanka Rajakumari, Managing Director, Indian Hair Industries Private Limited. Srimati Vanka Rajkumari, can we please have a huge round of applause for the lady, ladies and gentlemen. Mr. Pandava Prasad, General Manager, SNF India Private Limited. Our next export champion, Mr. Pandava Prasad, General Manager, SNF India Private Limited. Congratulations, sir. And our next export champion, Mrs. Singaluri Sarada Devi, Partner, RV Corp. Congratulations, ma'am. Can we please have a huge round of applause for Mrs. Singaluri Sarada Devi, ladies and gentlemen. What a thrilling moment for all the industry champions and export champions to be felicitated and recognized by the government of Andhra Pradesh. Thank you, sir, for doing the honors. Thank you to all our dignitaries. And ladies and gentlemen, moving forward, the last leg of the inaugural event, may I request Srimati Poonam Malakondaya, IAS, Special Chief Secretary to Government, Agriculture, Horticulture, Fisheries and Sugar, Government of Andhra Pradesh, to propose the vote of thanks.